Together, we power homes, build roads, and shape cities. But in a fast-paced world where every decision matters, how do you balance efficiency, safety, and saving resources? Wingtra puts the physical world at your fingertips. We give you insights for faster, smarter, and safer decisions. With the most efficient mapping platform in the industry, easily conquer areas that were impossible to cover before. Capture every detail you need and make decisions based on real-time information before the day is done. Our tools are easy to use and integrate with yours, so your team can get what they need from day one. And always trust you'll get the job done right. Wingtra delivers insights you can rely on every single time. We set new industry standards so that you can focus on what matters most. Fuel, build, and preserve the communities you serve. No more second guessing, no more delays. With us, you hold the power to shape a better tomorrow, one informed decision at a time.